The Journey of Wealth in Ancient Babylon, a story-style retelling. Long ago, in a bustling city of golden walls and busy markets, there lived a man named Arcad, who became known as the richest person in all of Babylon. People were curious. What secret did he possess that others did not? They saw him walk through the city with confidence, his purse neatly weighed with coins, and wondered if his success was merely luck or something deeper. One day, a group of citizens, tired of working hard but never getting ahead, gathered around him. Arcad told them that wealth did not come by chance. It came through simple habits nurtured over time, and a willingness to take responsibility for one's own fortune. He began with a principle so straightforward, yet so often overlooked. Before you pay for food, clothing, or pleasures, set aside a part of what you earn just for yourself. He spoke of treating saving not as a leftover after spending, but as the first and most important step in anyone's financial journey. This bit of wisdom, he said, was like planting a seed, tiny at first, but capable of growing into a tree with deep roots. Then Arcad guided them to look honestly at their spending. Many had claimed they earned enough, yet their purses were always light. He explained that if they did not manage their expenses carefully, those earnings would slip through their fingers like sand. By choosing where to spend wisely, they could protect more of what they had earned. But saving alone was not enough. Arcad spoke of making money work for you by investing in tasks, trade, or ventures that would return more than what was put in. He reminded them that money kept idle gathered no fruit, but money put into productive use could return back multiplied, like grain planted in fertile soil. Timing also mattered. Arcad encouraged his listeners to recognize good chances when they appeared, and to act rather than wait too long. In his own life, forgetting opportunities had cost him growth, but seizing them had often expanded his purse more than he expected. Finally, Arcad urged everyone to keep learning, to look for knowledge and advice from those experienced in financial matters, and to avoid reckless ventures that promised quick riches but carried great risk. He reminded them that protecting wealth was just as important as making it. As the sun set over the ancient city, the gathered citizens walked home with new ideas burning in their minds. They understood that becoming wealthy wasn't magic or luck. It was a sequence of habits: saving first, spending smartly, investing thoughtfully, taking opportunities boldly, and always seeking wisdom. And with patience and discipline, these simple steps could change the course of their lives.